So we have this very interesting geometry question with us. So let's see how to solve this question. In this question, we need to find the length of BD. Okay, the question mark. So before starting the question, let's mark few important things in the figure itself. We can see that DE and EF are 1 meter each. And these are right angles. These are right angles, correct? This is a right angle and this angle is 45 degree. If this is right angle, this is 45. That's why this angle will also be 45 degree. Yes. Now, if this is 45, this is 45, this turns to be an isosceles triangle. That means if this is 1 meter, CD will also be 1 meter. Similarly, on the right side, triangle GFE will also be a isosceles triangle. This is 45, this will also be 45 degree and this will become 1 meter. Yes, GF is 1 meter. After this, what we will do, we will join CG. We will join CG. So we have joined CG. Yes. Now, please look at triangle CEG. Triangle CEG. What we will do, we will find this angle. Okay. Now look at DEF. DEF is a straight line, correct? DEF is a straight line. Now if this is a straight line, this 45 degree angle, this 45 degree angle, and this question mark angle, that is angle CEG, should add up to 180, correct? Now, according to this rule, this question mark will turn out to be 90 degree. This question mark will turn out to be 90 degree. Yes, I'll just repeat myself. See, on straight line DEF, if we add 45 degree, this 45 degree and this right angle, this will add up to 180. Yes, that is why this is 90 degree. Correct? Now, after this step, let's see what we can do. So we will start with right triangle CDE. We will start with right triangle CDE and apply Pythagoras theorem on that right triangle. If we apply Pythagoras theorem, we will get CD square plus DE square is equals to CE square. Correct? That means 1 square plus 1 square will give us CE square. According to this, CE will turn out to be root 2. Yes? Now, if CE is root 2, please see, if CE is root 2, definitely GE will also become root 2. Both are equal to each other. Yes? Both are exactly same triangles. Triangle GFE and triangle CDE. Both are same triangles. Yes? Not same, equal triangles, congruent triangles. So CE is equals to GE. Okay? So these two sides are equal. Now, if these two sides are equal, please come back to the figure again. If these two sides are equal, that is root 2 and root 2. Correct? That means this becomes an isosceles triangle again. Correct? Now, in isosceles triangle, if this is 90 degree, this angle, 1 second, let me change the color, this angle and this angle will turn out to be 45 degree. Yes, both the angles will be 45 degree each. Now, as we have drawn CG, you can clearly see that CG and DF are parallel to each other. Yes, point C and G are at equal height from point D and F. Right? They both are parallel to each other. So this angle will turn out to be 90 degree. Angle BCG. Angle BCG will turn out to be 90 degree. Correct? As angle BCG is 90 degree, similarly, angle HGC will also be 90 degree. This angle will also be 90 degree. So let's mark this here, 90 degree and 90 degree each. Correct. Now, out of this 90 degree HGC, this angle is already 45. If this is 45, what will be this angle? This angle will be 90 minus 45, which is 45 degree. Correct? So 45 and 45 will add up to 90 degree. Correct? If this is 45, this is 90, what will be this angle? This angle will also be 45 degree. Correct? 45 means BC and CG are equal to each other. BC and CG are equal to each other. So let's find CG. And how we will find CG? We will use right triangle CEG. And we will be applying Pythagoras theorem here. Okay, so let's apply Pythagoras theorem. We will get CE square plus EG square is equals to CG square, which will give us root 2 square plus root 2 square is equals to CG square, right? This will give us CG for GC as 2. If CG is 2 and we have seen BC and CG are equal to each other, just now we saw that BC and CG are equal to each other because triangle BCG is isosceles. That's why BC will also be 2. Yes, BC will also be 2. So let's mark this in the figure. BC is 2. But this is not a final answer. What do we need to find out? We need to find out length of BD. Now, what is BD? BD is nothing but BC plus CD. What is BC? BC is 2. What is CD? CD is 1. That means our final answer 2 plus 1 is 3. Yes, the length of BD is 3. Length of BD is 3. This will be our final answer. I hope you enjoyed the solution. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.